Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to send a private ping or private message here in Basecamp. All right, start by logging into your Basecamp account. And once done, as you can see here under our Basecamp dashboard, okay, you'll be able to see at the top we have pings besides inbox. All right, you're gonna want to click on it, and then here just start typing the name where you wanted to send your private message or ping. Say for example, I have my second account in here. This one, I'm going to type in R, and there will be a drop down. Just click on the specific person, and then you can now go ahead and click on ping them. All right, or you could just easily hit on enter on your keyboard. Now here, go ahead and add in your message like so. Now, if you want to send some attachments, you can go ahead and do so as well. Maybe this photo right here, hit on open, wait for it to upload. Click on three dots, you'll be able to see all of your files sent in here. And if you want to, you could go ahead and archive this ping. Okay, send emojis if you want to. And then once done, hit on send, and you should be good to go. Now, pings right here are direct and private conversations, meaning only those included in the ping can see the messages. All right, this is ideal right here for quick check-ins, urgent questions, or brief messages without cluttering email threads. The recipient, for example, I am this guy right here, will receive a notification that you send them a ping. You can go ahead and add multiple recipients if you want to. Just start by opening up pings once more, type down the names, and ping them. All right, and there you have it. Say, for example, I'm going to add in a message in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to pings. Here you have your saved pings. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.